Hello guys, welcome back. This is another cooking episode with Onyx Food Hill. Please do remember to subscribe, like this video and also share this with your friends. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple stir-fried vegetable stew that you can pair with any staple food. It's very simple. So to make this simple stir-fried vegetable stew, you will need some spinach, or you can use any vegetable of your choice. Tomatoes and pepper, I just blended everything together. You will also need some fried fish or some fried beef, or you can combine all together. And you will also need chopped onions, ground crayfish, 2 stock cubes, and some minced garlic. It's as simple as that. So you can choose to add other ingredients if you want, but this is just what I'm going to go with. Keep watching. You're going to add a little cooking oil into a pot. Then once it's heated, you're going to add some chopped onions and some minced garlic into it to fry. You're going to fry this for just a few minutes until fragrant. After you've stir fried the onions for some time, you're going to add in the blended tomato and pepper to the oil and fry as well. Make sure you stir this continuously, then cover it with a lid to cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the tomatoes must have been soft and nice. You're going to come back to it, stir it properly. Then you're going to season it with some ground crayfish, stock cubes, and a little salt just to taste. After adding all the ingredients, you will need to stir it properly to combine. Now you're going to bring in the chopped spinach or whatever vegetable you are using into the sauce. Just make sure you stir the sauce properly so everything incorporates. The stew may seem thick and dry. You can add a little stock to adjust the consistency. Don't add too much so that you don't end up with a watery stew. Stir the stew after adding in the stock. Now add in the fried meat or any protein of your choice and stir as well. Once you've stirred and everything is properly combined, just leave it to cook for just a minute and your vegetable stew is ready. So guys, this was a great way to make use of your fresh vegetables instead of leaving them to spoil. It's as simple as this. You can pair this with any staple food or just enjoy it as you want. I hope you try this out and leave me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends. Until next time, enjoy your vegetable stew. Bye.